Yu-Gi-Oh! Ritual Monsters have a blue background and are placed in your main deck. To ritual summon, if you have all the ritual requirements listed on the ritual spell card met in the places specified, you can activate the ritual spell card by placing it in your spell and trap zone. If the activation of the ritual spell resolves successfully, then you must meet the requirements listed on the ritual spell card, then play the ritual monster card to your main monster zone in either face-up attack or face-up defense position. Then place the ritual spell card in the graveyard. When your ritual monster is destroyed, send it to your graveyard. Ritual monsters that were properly summoned, then sent to the graveyard or banished, can be special summoned from that location without the need for a ritual spell card, for example, like with Monster Reborn. But if a ritual monster card is sent to your graveyard or banished without it first being properly summoned, then it cannot be special summoned.